Good morning, students. Today we're going to learn now a summary of all what we did before, but it's very important to know how we can show any number in many ways. So, first of all, I need to present 340 as a number. How can I present it with different way? The first type is with picture. So I have, as you can see here, this is the first one. I have 3 squares, and this is to present the 300s, and 4 stick like that. This is to present the 4 tens. This is the first thing, we call it picture. So if the teacher will ask you to represent or show the 340 using the picture method, here we go. The second method, we call it base 10 name. Base 10 means everything related to tens. Base 10. So I have 300s, I write 300. I don't write 300, I write 300s. 4 tens. I don't write 40, I write 4 tens. So it's very close to the picture method, but we write with word 300s, 4 tens. Perfect. The third method, they call it base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks. And you know that from previous lesson, I have the big square 100 unit, and the stick, it's for 10. So I have 3 block, that means 300, and I have 4 stick, that means 40, because each one is 10. Perfect. Number 4, you remember our magic table. Now what is the mathematical name of it? It's place value chart. Place value chart means the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and 340, it's 0 ones, 4 tens, 300. And the last one is the standard form. This is, we are all using the standard form. Anyone now, when we like to write the numbers, we use the standard form. And here there is a nice example of the base 10 block number 3. Number 3. I can draw the 340 with different way. Someone will tell me, what is this? I don't understand. Actually, this is for 100, and this is for 100. And here, this stick, we know each is for 10. How many they are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Whoa, 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 whoa. 14's 10. That means 140. If I take the 100 from the 40, I will take this, it's going to be 100, so it will make me 340. So 340, I can present it with different look. And instead of having 3 hundreds like that, I can use only 2 and distribute this 100 as 10, 10, 100, and add 4, so it's going to be 14 in total. There is another way. I can present the 300 with this way, okay? And instead of 40, I can use here, can you see 3 streak? 1, 2, 3, that means 30. Someone will tell me, but we have 340, not 330. Actually, we broke down one stick of the tens in ones. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is for 10 ones, here means 10. 10 plus 30, 40. So that means 340. So this is give you a different shape that, or different figure that I can use it for the base 10 blocks. So now let's see this example, how we can solve something like that. Write each number in standard form. So if I go, what the meaning standard form? The number like that, okay. I have what? 700, 4 tens, and 6 ones. We know from the right, I start with the ones, 6. 4 tens, that means 40, and 700, that means 700. So 746. 8 tens. What the meaning 8 tens? That means I don't have ones, so 0. And after that, when I come to the tens, I have 8. So 8 tens becomes 80. 80 ones. Because 8 times 10 equal 80. C. I have 900, 8 tens, 3 ones. I start with the ones, 3. After that, I move to the 10, the second column, 8. The third column, 100, 983. Perfect. 502 ones. This is very danger. Why is danger? Because 2 ones, I started from the right. And after that, someone tell me 5. I write 5 here. No, where are the tens? The tens is skipped. That means 0 tens. And after that, the 500. So this is 502 ones, which means 502. Perfect. Next, write the base 10 name for each number. Can you see here? Base 10 name, base 10 name. That means I write 300, 4 tens, and how many ones? Okay, so here, I write like that. If I'm gonna start from the 6, this is 600. Exactly like what I have here. So 600s, I'm gonna add the S for 6. After that, 2 tens. And after that, I have 7 ones. Wow. The next one, I have what? 209. So if I'm gonna start from left, I know this is for the 200s. 0 tens, I can skip it. I don't talk about it. And I go to 9 ones. Instead of saying 0 tens, there is no point to say it, so I can skip it. After that, 463, that means 4 hundreds. The next one, 6 tens. And the next one, 3 ones. And this is how we can write the numbers in different shape, in standard form, in picture, in base 10 name, in base 10 blocks, in place value chart. There is many to know, but here the question was standard form and base 10 name. I hope you understood the lesson, and let's now practice with some examples. Thank you for listening.